Ready to ditch the generic and build a Kvcore landing page that truly wows your audience? First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once there, click on Landing Pages. Now, click the Add Page button to start creating your new landing page. You'll be presented with a selection of templates. Choose the one that best suits your needs or start from scratch with a squeeze page template. In the landing page editor, locate the section for background customization. This is usually found under the Edit or Design settings for the main page container. Click on Upload Image and select your desired custom background image from your computer. Ensure it's a high-resolution image to avoid pixelation and has a file size that is within the Kvcore's specified range. Adjust the background image settings to optimize its appearance. Experiment with options like cover, contain, or custom sizes to ensure the image fits your landing page perfectly. You can also control its position and whether it repeats or not. To ensure your text remains readable, consider adding a background overlay. You can typically adjust the color and opacity of the overlay to create the perfect contrast. Finally, preview your landing page to ensure everything looks perfect on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you're satisfied, hit save and publish your stunning, custom background landing page. Now you're ready to capture leads with a visually engaging experience.